In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable screenshots in Telegram stories. If you share moments that you'd rather not have saved or forwarded outside Telegram, this quick setting helps protect your privacy on a per story basis. Here's how to use it from start to finish. First, open the Telegram app and make sure you're on the main chat screen. You don't need to change any global settings. The option appears when you're about to publish a story. Next, start creating a new story. Tap the camera icon or tap your profile picture, then choose whether to capture a new photo or video or pick something from your gallery. This brings you into Telegram Story Composer. Add your media and make any edits you like. You can trim a clip, add text or stickers, draw, and adjust filters to set the tone. When your story looks the way you want, tap Next to move to the publishing screen. On the publishing screen, you choose who can see your story, such as everyone, your contacts, or a custom list. The same screen includes the privacy control we're after. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Allow Screenshots. By default, it may be enabled. Turn that Allow Screenshots switch off. With the toggle set to off, viewers of this specific story won't be able to take screenshots or screen recordings using their device's built-in tools. It's a strong deterrent for casual saving. Keep in mind that no setting can stop someone from using another device to record your screen, so always share only what you're comfortable with. Once the toggle is off and your audience is set the way you want, go ahead and post the story. Tap Post Story to publish. Telegram will apply your visibility choice and enforce the no screenshots rule for that story. A couple of quick tips to help you avoid mistakes. Because this is a per story control, repeat these steps each time you want to restrict screenshots. It doesn't retroactively change older posts. Before posting, take a second to confirm both your audience and that Allow Screenshots is disabled, especially for sensitive content. That's it. You've created a Telegram story and disabled screenshots for it in just a few taps. Use this setting whenever you want a little more control over how your content is viewed and shared. If you later create another story and decide screenshots are fine, just leave the toggle on for that one. Remember, the control lives on the publishing screen, so it's quick to review each time. Now you're ready to post with confidence.